Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about motor kit for Moffat Part M242024K. The motor kit for Moffat Part M242024K is a complete motor kit that includes all the necessary components to replace an existing motor in a Moffat oven. The kit includes a new motor mounting bracket, fan blade, wiring harness, and instructions. The motor is designed to fit Moffat ovens with model numbers M242024K and M242025K. It is a 1/3 horsepower, 115 volt, 60 Hz single-phase motor with an output of 2 amps. The fan blade has 4 blades and is made of aluminum. The wiring harness includes 2 wires for power and 2 wires for ground. The instruct. This part fixes the following symptoms. This motor kit is designed to replace the motor in a Moffat M242024K oven. It can help to fix issues such as the oven not heating up, the fan not running, or the oven not turning on. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by gathering the necessary tools and materials for the installation. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a drill, and the motor kit for Moffat Part M242024K2. Carefully remove the existing motor from its mounting bracket. This may require unscrewing several screws or bolts that are holding it in place. 3. Once the old motor is removed, use the drill to make any necessary holes in the mounting bracket for the new motor kit. 4. Place the new motor kit into position on the mounting bracket and secure it with scar. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.